back to my channel. Today we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee in the Great Smoky Mountains. We're actually staying in a log cabin in Asheville, North Carolina, and Gatlinburg's about an hour and a half away. We decided to drive up here to check everything out. It is so cute. I'm gonna show you some footage of our cabin that we're staying in. So we're gonna get on this coaster. It's a two-person coaster and it just goes down the side of a mountain and it looks so much fun. Me and my little boo-boo are gonna go, and then my husband and Blake are gonna go.
Ready? Jump! All right, we got the green light. Go, push, push. Hold it forward, hold it forward.
Today is actually the next day. It's raining outside. We are actually on our way to Pigeon Forge. We're gonna do some things out there.
Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side.
Alright, so it's been a few days since I've vlogged, and the last time you guys saw us, we were in the mountains, but now that we're back where all of our family live, we are visiting here from Virginia. We're actually in North Carolina. Today is Christmas Eve. We always spend Christmas Eve with my husband's family, and I thought it was really cool that they had this RV. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the RV. This is Bavia. She is spending Christmas with us in North Carolina. She is experiencing a traditional American Christmas. She is from India. Woo! So, alright, so here, let me back it up. Here is the RV. It's super cool. When we got here, it was already kind of, all the slides were already out. And so there's an outdoor TV. So when we are camping, we have like a rug that goes down here and like lounge chairs. This is an awning right here that comes out, and we have like string lights. It's really cool and cozy. So here's the front. There's like shades, and then there's more shades, curtains that come across so they can be blacked out. And then there's a big shade right here. All of this is storage. This is like a spaceship. And then there's one, this is a full-size bed that actually comes down to about here. This is a full-size bed, but it's normally a couch. And then this is a little table that actually turns into another bed. So this RV sleeps 10, I think. Here is the kitchen area. A good amount of storage for an RV, I think. And there's 2 sinks. This is a gas burner stove and oven, full-size microwave, huge refrigerator. This is the TV that we look at. Each bunk bed has their own TV, which is really cool. Own window, so you're not feeling claustrophobic. And these doors close when we're traveling. Half bath, which is a really nice size. This is a queen, I think. There's a lot of storage up here, and then there's a lot of storage here, and another TV. Master bathroom, which this is where everybody would shower, so there's a lot of storage here. And then a window. You got your sink, but you guys, the shower is huge. This is a really big shower for an RV, so that makes things a little bit more comfortable. Traveling in an RV is just so much more comfortable than staying in that dirty hotel. Today is the day after Christmas, and we did some after Christmas shopping. We love to go out and catch the sales on their Christmas decor the day after Christmas because everything is super marked down. And I'm gonna try to show you guys everything that we bought. It was just me and my mom out today, and we're actually back at the house to take everything out the trunk because there was a bunch of stuff back there. So I'm gonna try to go through everything and quickly show you guys everything that I bought. We went to Target and Walmart. The end of the vlog will be today, which was when we went Christmas shopping. So enjoy. So I want to start a collection of houses. Figure out which one to get first.
I like this toy.
I'll get 1 or 2. Toys for tots? Yeah, I like that one a lot. And then everything's half off. Put like the fake snow with the little bottle brush trees, like a little village. That's what it's called, a village, a little village.
So nice.
Yeah, because the kids really like those. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll start them a little village. And my mom actually has a really cute village in her house. My kids love it. You can get all the like little accessories to decorate your village with. Give you guys a quick haul of the things that I purchased. We only went to 2 stores. We went to Target and Walmart, and we actually purchased a 7.5 foot tree, and I will insert it. I got that for 84 bucks. It's flocked, it's pre-lit, and I love it. So that's downstairs. And then I got this berry bush from Target. Love it because it has this like really hard base. And it's so bright, such a pretty red. And I was inspired by my friend Jessica, who had a lot of red in her house, and I just thought it was so pretty. And I don't really have a lot of color in my house, so I thought next year I would add some pops of color. So I got this, and I think this was $9. This wreath, I just love the brightness of it. I love the colors, the contrast. I love the white pine cones with the berries, and I figured I would put this inside of my house somewhere next year. And then I got these 2 metal houses. These were $5 each. I got my kids this gingerbread mini village kit to actually do sometime this week because they wanted to do gingerbread houses and we never got around to it. So I got these. These were half off. This box was probably like $3. So we're gonna do that in another day or 2. Got a nativity set. Like I wanted more of a realistic one. This has like real moss on it. It was like $7. I want to start a small village collection for Christmas, just like a few houses or whatever on a table with like the trees. And I got the cabin because it reminds me of our cabin vacation this Christmas. And then I got the Toys for Tots house. This bottle brush tree set for like $3. This is pre-lit 3.5 foot. They come 2 in a box. I got this for $12. And my parents actually have this on their porch and they look really good. So I got this and that's it.